Alright friends, let's just jump right into the haul. I got these buy one get one free. I love to get this water because it's sparkling, it tastes really great. I also use it for my detox water, and I love adding a little bit of fruit juice to it sometimes just in case I want an extra bit of flavor. I also got these hearts of palms because I want to make some crab cakes, and I'm making it with this main ingredient. I got these pretzel sticks because me and my son love to snack on them. I got these vegan marshmallows because they are so delicious and my son loves them. It feels so good to know that I can give my son something sweet and tasty that he loves, and no animals were harmed in making it. I usually pick up a bag of baby carrots when I shop, so I got these, and this time I'm going to be snacking on these with some hummus that I made. I also got a bag of organic apples. I have been eating organic apples for the longest. I bite into an organic apple, it tastes so much better than a regular apple. I can't tell you the last time I've had a regular apple. I also picked up some organic grapes, and I picked up these plant-based deli slices that are so delicious. I like to snack on these just by themselves or in a sandwich, and I definitely make lots of sandwiches for my son with these. Now this chocolate pudding, oh, it was so delicious. I had not had chocolate pudding for so long, and when I found this, I was in heaven. When you first taste it, it has a little bit of a stronger, like dark chocolate taste to it. So it doesn't taste as creamy or as milky as like a regular chocolate pudding, but it's super delicious, and it takes you back to childhood with eating those chocolate puddings. So these are the veggies that I got. I got some green bell pepper, and I also got some orange and red bell pepper. I got some cabbage. I got some sweet onion. Got some vine ripe tomatoes. And I got some celery. I'm going to be making a really delicious cabbage soup with all of these, and I'm going to also include some ingredients I already have. And lastly, I got this ginger. I love using fresh ginger. It goes great in tea, and it goes great with so many recipes, and I'm going to be adding a little bit to my cabbage soup. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.